Hi guys, today we're going back in time with a classic book from 1974, Kung Fu Cinema of Vengeance. Wait a second while I do a quick scan around. And we'll get down to it. It's an absolute classic, it is. Covers the, not just Bruce, but all different sorts of Kung Fu movies. Excellent it is. Here it is. Kung Fu Cinema of Vengeance. Verina, Glaessner. Hope I've said that, pronounced that right. Give me a second and we'll get the tripod set up. Right, welcome back guys. This is a proper 70s classic, this is. And it's a bargain and all. You can get this really cheap. I think this cost me about 10 quid a while ago. So it's definitely worth picking up, honestly. There's Bruce. Here's the contents. Like I say, it's not just Bruce. It's covering a lot of different martial arts movies. Here's one of my favourites, King Boxer, the King Daddy that is. Got the Pirates, the Killer, 10 Fingers of Steel, Hapkido, Fu Manchu. It's an absolutely fantastic book, this is, if you're into martial arts, honestly. Really cool. Proper vintage, mate, and it's, you say, you can get these for a real bargain. They must have done a lot of them, that's all I can say. And being a 70s book, what we've got here? Mr. Carradine again. Every 70s publication is there. Junri. Run Shaw. He was a big daddy, he was in them days. Bruce wasn't having none of it though. He wasn't going to go into contract with him. Too much out of control, so he went with Golden Harvest. It's an absolutely fantastic book, this is. Legend of the 7 Golden Vampires here. Low Way. You honestly can't go wrong with this book, honestly. Angela Mao again. Chinese boxer. Here's that puny guy smoking a cigarette, you know what I mean? Some very cool colour posters in here as well. Okay, Enter the Dragon. Big Boss. Fist of Fury. One-Arm Boxer. Breach of the War Gods. The Bamboo House of Dolls. I can't say, I don't think I've seen that one. Hapkido. And the One-Armed Swordsman. Lady Kung Fu, Angela Mao. Brilliant book this is. Our friend Bruce. Hornet, Marlowe. Wang Yu. Not a patch on Bruce, but it's still very entertaining. David Chang. Excellent. Yes, I can highly recommend you picking up this book. Say if you want bargains, this is definitely a 70s bargain. Excellent. I mean, this is the hardback version. Hey, I'm sure I got it for under a tenner. So, hope you enjoyed that short trip back in time to 70s classic Kung Fu book. Great day, people. And remember, Bruce will never die. Ta-ra!